Today we'll be unboxing the May Allure Beauty Box. Let's begin. So the first item here is this brochure. It talks about the items that are inside, more about them and their retail value. And let's see. The first thing I see inside is this Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. And this retails for, the full size retails for $12.99. Okay. The next item that I see here is this VDL Lumilayer Primer. And let's see. The full-size version of this retails for $32. And this is a variation item. The other option would have been the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So you could have gotten either one. So let's see what this primer looks like. It's supposed to be illuminizing. So, oh, interesting. It's not coming out. Okay. So it looks white and it can be sheared out. And you can see there's some shine to it. So that's what the primer looks like. The next item that I see here is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. So it's concentrated eye cream for the whole face. And this, the full size, retails for $28.99. This is what it looks like. The next item is this Skin Ink Supplement Bar Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. And this retails for $65. So let's see what it looks like. So it actually has these pink and blue capsules inside that will dissolve once you put it on your face. So that's cute. Okay, and there's two more items. The next item is this Curology Way More Than a Moisture Moisturizer. Let's see. So the full size of this retails for $19.95. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And there is one last item in the box. And it is this one Glamour Base Biocellular Sheet Mask. Okay. And for this retails for $7. So this is the last item in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed them. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.